The first major global summit on environment happened in the year 1992 under the UN by the name UN Conference on Environment and Development. It is also called Rio Summit or the Earth Summit. Let us see the major outcomes in this important summit. Firstly, there are three sister agreements by name UNFCCC or United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, United Nations Convention on Biodiversity, and United Nations Convention to combat desertification. So, these three are very important that all the member countries periodically meet under the name COPs to discuss the relevant issues. For example, the UNFCCC COPs meet every year. So, such COPs of Kyoto and Paris are very important. The latest one being the Belém Summit in Brazil. Similarly, the UN CBD COPs also meet every 2 years. The summits important are Cartagena and Nagoya. Recently, in 2025, the COP of CBD was held in Rome, Italy. Now, UNCCD or Convention to Combat Desertification, here the COPs are also held every 2 years. Okay, the latest summit will be in Nairobi in the year 2026. Now, the other outcome is Agenda 21, which is regarding the development process and environment that is to be followed by the member nations in the 21st century. Now, coming to the Global Environment Facility, here this is a funding mechanism to 5 conventions. Here we have these 3, and along with this, the Minamata Convention on Mercury and Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants or POPs. The other one is Forest Principles, which are meant to conserve and preserve the forests of the world. Thank you.